Supplementary list, pronouncement of judgment, item number 1.
No one here with a judgment. As such, looking at the totality of the facts and circumstances of the case, this court notes that the petitioner failed to avail of arbitration, which had been provided in the contract agreement itself, which at its belated stage by operation of law cannot be taken into cost to. Further, no civil proceedings for recovery of any alleged dues have been instituted within 3 years of acknowledged receipt of final payment, which also effectively bars recourse to a money suit, except under exceptional circumstances, which the petitioner would have to demonstrate. The other factors of delay, disputed facts, and absence of any clear outstanding dues also come in the way of this court exercising its jurisdiction or discretionary powers under Article 2 of the Constitution of India. As such, with the reasons discussions here and above, the incident petition can be entertained by this court, as according to dismiss, leaving the petitioner to seek other alternative remedy if available.
Okay.
Any mention?
Please, Lordship. I beg to mention item number 35 and 38, my lord.
35 and?
38, my lord. I have informed to the other party also, the government.
What have they said? They have agreed also?
Lordship.
35, 38?
Lordship.
No urgency?
Not urgency. Actually, it's, one is regularization. After some time, maybe.
No urgency, 4 weeks. Yes.
Lordship.
Attached to
Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 36.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? I have no objection, but I am praying for the case to be listed after 20th August.
20th August, now we are
Because
just after 6 weeks on request of parties.
1 month will do, Your Lordship. 1 month will do, Your Lordship, because I'll be going out of station. Yes,
Okay,
4
4
weeks.
weeks,
Your Lordship.
Lordship, I have a similar prayer for item number 25.
25, here for the respondent.
Yes, Lordship, for the
Who's
respondent.
petitioner?
No objection, Your Lordship.
2 weeks, okay. Yes.
Lordship, and item number 39. 39.
How long?
Lordship, after 2 weeks, Lordship.
Okay, take 3 weeks, yes.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
3 weeks? Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 23, Your Lordship.
23? Why?
Mr. Nongbri is indisposed, Your Lordship, today.
You haven't finished your arguments. No?
No, my lord.
He's going in full flow. He started from first gear, now he's in third gear. He's about to hit top gear, now you're putting a brake.
After 1 week, Your Lordship.
After 1 week.
Let it come after it. Let it be on Monday, my lord, if next Monday.
What's wrong with him? He's in bed.
No, Your Lordship. He's indisposed, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Obliged.
After 1 week.
Your Lordship, similar prayer for item number 27 and 28, Your Lordship.
Have no objection, Your Lordship.
Lordship, I'm for 28 item
2 weeks, yes, 2 weeks. Yes.
Your Lordship, item 33 as well, Your Lordship. For respondent number 5.
Can we have respondent 1, 2, 3, 4?
No, he's not well.
Lordship,
1 week. Any urgency?
Not really, Your Lordship, but may the interim order continue, Lordship.
Yes, after 2 weeks, interim order, if any, shall continue with further orders. Yes. You need to renew it, yes. Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 26 as well.
How many rounds are you mentioning?
After 2
1
weeks,
week,
Lordship.
yes.
Yes.
My lord, after 3 weeks.
2 weeks, what? 3 weeks?
Highly obliged,
After
Lordship.
4 weeks? Any more?
Highly obliged, Lordship.
Lordship, with the consent of the other side, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item 37 from hearing list, Lordship. Any other date may be given, Your Lordship.
Who's for the petitioner? Two weeks, okay. You're for whom?
For respondent 5, Your Lordship, second wife.
Yes. Yes, follow.
Much obliged, Lordship.
May it please, Lordship,
You also have mentioned.
I'd like to mention item number 24, 2 weeks' time.
On whose behalf?
On behalf of the conducting counsel, A.R. Pasa.
Who's Mr. Current Counsel?
A.R. Pasa.
I have no objection.
What was this? Did the matter go for mediation?
Yes, yes, yes.
What happened?
We are willing to pay around 6 lakh, but they are not ready to accept.
Where's Mr. Pasa?
He's indisposed, my lord.
Who's there? Who's there with him? Who's Jieksu? I Sumer. Yar Pasa ML Nongpur. Is it gone for mediation?
Lordship, it's gone for mediation,
Then?
but it cannot be settled.
Yes, we have offer 6 lakhs.
How much do you want?
Lordship, I don't have complete instructions. It's the precise. Let it come after 1 week, Lordship.
Now we will hear it. After 1 week, yes.
Okay.
May it please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item 31, Your Lordship.
That means item number?
31, Your Lordship.
I have some
We're
objection
praying
here.
for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
They have objection, so they'll be called out, yes. You're there also?
Respondent number 2.
Yes, remain in court, don't disappear. Yes.
Your Lordship, similar prayer for item number 4, Your Lordship.
Number?
At 34, Your Lordship.
34, who's there? You have objection?
No objection.
Okay. On behalf of Mr. Sen,
Yes, Lordship.
what's happened to Mr. Sen?
I have some personal
In this
difficulty.
post also?
No, Your Lordship. He's here, Your
2 weeks, yes.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Yes.
May I please, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 29.
This is too much. I bought here English show, I think. On whose behalf?
On behalf of Mr. S.A. Sheikh, Lordship.
Where's Mr. S.A. Sheikh? He's not in court today.
He's in court number 4, Lordship.
Who's the other side?
I have informed respondent, sir, Lordship.
No one has any objection? I think put in a system, at least first 5 matters or 6 matters, no adjournments. When?
After 2 weeks, Lordship.
After 4 weeks, yes. Or 6 weeks. 6 weeks.
2 weeks, Lordship.
4 weeks. We'll adjourn. Once you ask for adjournment, we'll give long dates. So next, now only 4 weeks. Next time, adjournments, you're ready to argue for some really pressing reason. Otherwise, we'll adjourn for 8 weeks, 9 weeks. Let it go. Then Aram say you can you can prepare for a hearing. Yes. It's getting too much. Lawyers won't grow also. If
Supplementary
the
list?
juniors don't argue, the bar will never grow. Yes.
Supplementary list, item number 2.
My lord,
Yes, what is this?
my lord, there seems to be an issue with the details regarding with the respondent number 2, my lord.
What details? Was the order stated to be violated?
My lord, is available annexure 2, page 11, my lord.
Yes. Where's the operative part?
My lord, it's at page 17.
Yes. No legally enforceable right. However, they are not considered at all.
My lord, it's been almost 10 months, my lord. That's passed.
Yes,
My lord, small prayer, my lord. Kindly allow us to make the changes to the defects.
What changes?
Regards to respondent number 2, my lord.
Who is respondent number 2?
I, as a Commissioner Secretary of Government of Meghalaya, my lord, it's the Department of Textile, my lord. I had this mistake.
Okay, then you correct it.
Personal, my lord.
Mr. Leonard Counsel, the petitioner, at the outset, not outset praise that we will have to correct the defects with regard to the respondent number 2 as to the designation. Prayers allowed correction to be made in the course of the list of next week. Yes.
Humbly, deeply obliged, my lord.
Item number 3.
Mr. Chanda was supposed to appear but couldn't come today.
Covered case?
Covered case.
Where's Mr. Chanda?
He's not there today, Lord.
Take notice, heard Ms. M.L. Nongpur issue notice. Ms. A. Pradhan Vice Dr. M. Mojika is present, except on how all respondents. No further notice required. List after 3 weeks. Yes.
3 weeks.
Thank you, Prashant.
For instruction affidavit. Yes.
Item number 4.
Salary matter, Lordship. I'll take notice.
Yes.
Regarding payment of gratuity, Lordship.
Where's the petitioner? None appears for the petitioner. List the matter after two weeks. Yes.
Item number 5.
It's after 1 week. After 1 week. Yes, Mr. P.T. Sama.
Please, Lordship, this is the cover case, Your Lordship, whereby this Honourable Court has in separate 3 writ petition in order dated 27 February 2024 passed the similar situated case, and regarding the regularization, those people non-teaching staff who were appointed by the district administrator of the school by the virtue of the by the administrator of Garuhil Settlement District Council. By the virtue of the Meghalaya taking over of District Council Lower Primary Act 1983, there happened this one. And today, in fact, there are 3 writ petitioners already Lordship has considered, and they
who's applying for the state? No for the state.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I am the daily wage peon of the respondent university, and I have been serving there for more than 30 years. I was appointed.
Which university? Nehu?
Nehu.
Who's there? Where's Nehu Council? The only ones who are present don't have anything to do with the case.
Despite my repeated representations, they have not regularized my service.
Mr. Sen's not here. Where's that lady? Yes.
I was engaged by an order.
Where's the one order? Let's see.
Page 11.
Page
11, Your Lordship.
You paid a regular scale.
No, I'm paid daily wage. I'm a daily wage peon.
What is this? 1/30th of the minimum scale of pay?
Yeah, that is pro rata. It is called pro rata, 1/30th of the basics.
Okay. 8 hours a day.
After that, I took charge on 16 June 1994. Annexure 2, page 12.
Okay. Now what do you want now?
I want
Since you've been
regularization, my lord. My prayer is for regularization of service. And moreover, they have issued a letter which is being assailed here for being not maintainable and illegal.
Where's the letter?
Letter is Annexure 6, page 17. With reference to the above subjects, the dining star Ghar pro rata casual laborer is hereby informed that his request to regularize his service is not feasible due to the fact that the post of peon,
So
MPS,
you're not qualified also?
I beg pardon?
Qualified, that means you're not qualified.
At that time, when I was at the entering level, I was qualified.
Your class 8 pass?
Yes, at that point of time.
Very plain, my lord. These kind of cases, your lordship, this is pure case of regularization. In fact, a batch of petition has come, and my lord, this was hard in detail and very long judgment has been passed, your lordship. Let it come up for admission.
By whom?
My lord, this court, this one,
Judgment
justice.
meaning?
There was a law, my lord, covering all the aspects, your lordship. All earlier, Uma Devi, everything has been referred to.
This doesn't come under Uma Devi.
No, no, no.
This is not
What I'm saying? Give me the reference.
That reference, lordship. I will just, that's why, my lord, today I am slightly, my lord, this if your lordship posted for admission, my lord, I will place that judgment. My lord.
This.
And from there, they have preferred an appeal also. Some around 25, 30 years of service. So that appeal was also withdrawn. So that is holding the field.
But
let it come up for admission.
But in my case, I do not come within the ambit that Uma Devi
the
case.
judgment is in their favor or against them?
Court declined, your lordship. Declined. They preferred an appeal. Appeal was withdrawn. Not by the same writ petitioner, similarly situated. Similarly situated. So let it come up for admission, my lord. I will place those judgments.
Yes,
instead of filing affidavit. After that,
Mr. D.K. Datta, and counsel petitioner, Ms. S.N. The counsel accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 4. M.S.A. Pradhan is accepts notice by Dr. M. Bozika on behalf of respondent 2. 4 and 5 is sent. Then M.S. P. Agarwal is present on behalf of respondent number 3. Such no further notice called for. Stop the instant matter involves the prayer for regularization of the petitioner, stop, who's been serving since 1994 as temporary peon. Yes, and that counsel for prayers that the matter is for admission as he submits as covered by early judgments of this court. With regard to similarly situated employees, is up to 1 week for admission.
Lordship, in this matter, Lordship, I am waiting for respondent 1, and as far as respondent 2 is concerned, I will seek instruction.
I mean, you're not really a vital party.
All right.
2 is whom? 2 is missing a personal public grievances. It's all right. You'll represent them here.
Daily list item number 1.
My lord, I am praying for two more weeks.
Praying for?
Filing affidavit.
What is this, a motion?
My lord, on the last occasion,
my
notice
lord,
was
yes.
accepted. My lord.
On last occasion, motion was done, my lord. On
Notice
3/12.
was accepted on behalf of the court.
Notice was?
Accepted, my lord.
By whom?
My lord, the last order is there, my lord.
Yes, yes.
My lord. On 8/7, my lord.
Right.
On
What
8/7.
happened?
My lord,
Now what's happened now?
I am waiting for instruction, my lord.
My lord, in fact, there's a 9 matter, my lord, connected matters, my
9
lord. Total 9
Where
matters.
the matters? They all listed
My
today?
lord, yes, my lord. The other item numbers, item 14.
15,
Yes,
17, 18, 20,
Okay.
21, 22, my lord.
1 week further time.
2 weeks, my lord.
My lord, only a small prayer, my lord. The respondents, my lord, state respondents, my lord, should be directed not to constitute the VC, my lord, by selecting method, my lord, by selection method, my lord.
You get instructions. Ms. R. Gurung, in these batch of matters, prays and be allowed further 2 weeks' time to obtain instructions. Stop, as the matter concerns the reconstitution of the VEC of the respective village employment councils, Mr. S.K. Hassan prays that orders be passed that the reconstitution should be by election, not by selection.
My lord.
List after 2 weeks, instructions to be received to be obtained by the GA on this aspect too.
I love this.
We're not saying it won't be done, but then like understand, yes.
Item number 2.
His Lordship, this can be, the matter can be closed, but only this, they have given this check number that petitioner have not collected, but I know just want to.
What check number?
This check number 20.
Is the petitioner's name the check?
Yes, yes.
But this check I have not received actually from the office.
What check
only
is that?
Because this, they said that they have given the check. They have given in the list of this this one.
In the
just they give it like that. They don't file it, but it is in that.
Can you consider this?
Only on that. I just want to get that.
My lord, we kindly produce the first order, my lord, dated 19/6/2024, my lord.
There is a check number 202171 dated 14/06/20. Only that one. Once I have received, then that matter can be closed because
it is issued by cashier. If there's some dispute, what do you mean check number?
Because they are claiming that they have issued this check in my favor.
Yes.
This is the money, it seems. But I'm saying that. But I'm saying that this check I have not received. Only that one. Maybe
you
now
received.
You have not received.
You have not received at all. What check you received?
Rest of the money what they have given in the other list, I got it. But only this check which they have indicated in that list. Petitioner is saying that.
Did they ask you to collect it or it's sent to them? What is the arrangement?
Maybe it's in the office, but.
Why haven't you gone to the office to collect it?
But this matter can be closed down. We did direction.
You will give directions.
Yes. If in case it has not been collected, let him
collect it. Are you sure that your clients are not hiding this fact from you?
No, not hiding, but
as per my instruction, my lord, he has received.
There is more observation maybe. If the check is not collected, let him collect. If that's closed, then the matter closed. That is only my suggestion.
Understand. If the final settlement, they'll avoid the lawyers.
And this check number and date may be mentioned, my lord.
Yes.
Otherwise, he will claim again a fresh one.
Yes. Take down. The instant writ petition has been filed by the writ petitioner praying for the payment of outstanding dues such as arrears of revised pay and DNS allowance. Stop. In the course next paragraphs, Mr. S. The learned standing counsel for the arrest has submitted before the court a statement showing the factum of payment of the outstanding dues of the writ petitioner in 3 installments. That is by a check dated 3/11/2023 for rupees 68,769. A check dated 15/12/2021 for an amount of rupees 7,90,597, and last check dated 14/6/2024 for an amount of rupees 5,13,775. Stop. The said statement is taken on board and made part of the records. The learned counsel therefore submits that the outstanding dues as payable to the petitioner have since been cleared.
One line, it can be added, my lord. Here, my lord, the petitioner has approached. If my lord may kindly see the prayer portion, my lord.
Yes.
Page 7.
Yes.
He has suppressed the fact, my lord. He has come before this honorable court, whereas 2 check was already withdrawn.
Doesn't matter.
That may be recorded, my lord.
Let it, we'll record this form, no? Why? And such, nothing remains for consideration in such petition. So he further submits that if the writ petitioner by filing the petition, had also suppressed the factum of receipt of earlier amounts. So next para Mr. P.T. Sangma, learned counsel for the petitioner. However, submits that though the first 2 checks have since been received, he has no instructions with regard to the receipt of the check dated 14/6/2024, bearing number 202171 by the writ petitioner. So he prays that though the matter be closed, directions he prays that he therefore submits that the matter will be closed, giving liberty to the petitioner to collect the same. If in view of these statements, as in view of the submissions of the counsel for the parties, also the fact that certain payments have been made, the matter is closed. However, with the liberty given to the writ petitioner to, you want liberty to file afresh? No.
Yes.
No. This sort of something. Matters closed. It's closed. And if in the event the third check is still not, it has not yet been collected by the writ petitioner, the same will be made over to him when 1 week from the date of this order.
Lordship.
Yes. With the above noted direction, matter stands disposed of.
Most blessed Lordship.
Item number 3.
Some avoidable circumstances we could not file a list.
Are you interested or not?
We are very much interested, Lord. Some problem with the addresses, Lordship, because the purpose of summoning
Such
the witness.
issues have you filed?
Solicitor only for the preliminary issue of presentation, Lordship.
Of course, you have to file at least 2-3 such issues.
I'll file it, Lordship.
You have not filed it also.
I thought maybe only the issue required to be decided because
Thinking won't do.
We'll
application of mind is necessary.
We'll file it, Lordship.
Okay. Seen that. After
2 weeks, Lordship. We'll file it. God bless you.
Item number 4.
So in 4 and 5, I'm entering appearance on behalf of respondent number 1 and 5 minutes. We'll take instructions for the rest of the respondents as well. Within 2 weeks, we'll file a reply.
You're for number 4 also.
Well, as 4 will give us instructions. So far, we have specific instructions for 1 and 5. 4 is the DC.
The DC, Your Lordship.
What's the contempt of?
They were required to publish the award within 6 months. So they made a request to the government for placement of funds. There has been a delay as far as that is concerned.
Yes, you appear for all the respondents.
Well, it's not yet. We'll take instructions for 2 to 4. Today I'm appearing for 1 and 5.
What about citizen service?
We have just received the status yesterday, Your Lordship.
All have been served.
Yes, Your Lordship.
MSLD Sangma submits that respondents number 1, 2, 3 has since been served. And she prays him allowed to file affidavit indicating service stop. Mr. SN, letter GH presents, and has entered appearance on behalf of respondents number 1 and 5. He prays and is allowed to extend the instructions. It's up to 2 weeks for instructions and for appearance of the remaining respondents.
Similar order for the next item as well.
Item number 6.
Yes.
Your Lordship, we have filed the rejoinder for the writ.
Yes.
We have filed the rejoinder for the writ.
Go for the other side.
Yes, Your Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of respondent number 1 and 2 and I have received the rejoinder.
Yes.
I have already received the rejoinder.
Yes, list for hearing. Party submit that the plea is complete, only a matter for hearing. So, yes.
Item number 7.
I'm praying for 2 weeks' time to file my affidavit.
How many times you prayed?
It's the second or third time.
Your Honor, Your Lordship, this matter has been filed since April, 4th April, Your Lordship. It has been more than 3 months.
What's the any more?
This matter
Can we
is
dispose of order affidavit?
delay in releasing my retirement benefits, Your Lordship.
Oh, that is very bad. Who's the officer? Who's the officer concerned? Which department?
It's Directorate of Agriculture.
No dispute as to service. Regularized by capitalization.
There was a, even after the regularization of the cabinet, my lord, there was some caveat in it for appearance into some exam or something. But what?
Retired? What exam?
Retired. I accept.
What exam now?
So, my lord, I'm praying for 2 weeks' time.
You file otherwise 1 year retired since 22. When you retired?
22, no?
22.
22.
The people will die.
Absolutely.
Last opportunity of 2 weeks granted for affidavits. Otherwise, we just on record today we have pension matters. We'll call the officer. Will dispose it of.
Yeah.
Not that they're being summoned to be lectured at, just to count the records. If affidavits are not forthcoming.
Item number 8.
Yes.
Lordship, the state respondents prays for the time, Your Lordship, to file the
Why?
affidavit. Well, the records are so voluminous, Your Lordship, we still haven't been able to.
The issue is very simple.
Lordship. And
The
also
matter is
the
pending-
hearing before the Bombay High Court is scheduled.
That is also pending before the Bombay High Court, Your Lordship.
That's scheduled
which
on
is
the
why
2nd
we
of
could not
August.
take a call in this matter. The department could not do.
For? You want to do for 2 weeks? Resolve the whole issue. Then?
The matter is
The state is concerned only with that order, my lord.
which they have assailed here, Lordship. Let's finish.
Just for registration of the brand.
Lordship, that's all.
2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
For a 2 weeks time. When was this matter filed? Anyway, for a 2 weeks time granted
April,
to the
Lordship.
103, represented by MSD Yangi and 4, the so-and-so. Yes, thereafter.
Item number 9.
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of respondent number 6 and I'm praying for further time to file affidavit.
What's the matter about? Pension?
No, Your Lordship.
Land acquisition.
Land acquisition?
Not land acquisition, Your Lordship. They are claiming damages, Your Lordship. In fact, Your Lordship, going by our affidavit is there, Your Lordship, but it's not complete. It is on their permission, Your Lordship. The soil
Permission
were
for?
dumped in the land after obtaining the permission from the writ petitioner. Anyhow, Lordship, we will file the affidavit.
See, sometimes you ask when you dump soil, you dump, instead of dumping 1 ton, you're dumping 100 tons, then naturally.
In fact, Your Lordship, it is on their request, Your Lordship.
Let them file the affidavit.
We'll file the affidavit, Your Lordship. 2 weeks' time, we can be
2 weeks
allowed.
for a time as paid, granted response file affidavit. Is there after?
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Obliged, Lordship.
Item number 10.
I'm praying for further 2 weeks' time to file affidavit to receive instruction.
Any urgency?
Actually, this is regarding the payment of the gratuity. Where there's a second round of litigation. This order has, Lordship has passed an order, very effective order, on the 20/09/2023, where they has submitted approving the for calculation of the formula as per the notification dated 7/10/2019. 1980.
When can you pay?
We are to receive instruction, Lordship.
When can you pay? Can instructions certificate on that? For a 2 weeks granted as paid.
2 weeks' time, Lordship.
Item 11.
Yes, there are first ones.
As well as Lordship.
Lordship, we are yet to file affidavit, Lordship, in this matter. I'm praying for further 3 weeks' time, Lordship.
2 weeks time as paid. Yes.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
12. Item number 12.
This one?
Lordship, in this matter,
Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, we have received instruction and affidavit is yet to be finalized.
further 2 weeks time granted this by affidavit.
My lord. For the affidavit in
Item 13 also, Lordship.
Yes, item 13. Yes.
Highly obliged.
14.
12 and 13 also.
14.
Where's Mr. Gurung or Mr. Hassan or whatever? Both were petitioners.
Your Lordship, I believe these matters have been mentioned in the morning when item number 1 is
This
taken.
matter?
Yes, Your Lordship. They were
Oh, yes,
connected
okay,
matters
yes,
with
yes,
item number 1.
VEC.
Yes, Your Lordship.
No, it's okay. Called out inadvertently, yes.
Yeah, that was mentioned with item
Yeah,
number
there were
1.
other matters, yes.
19. 19.
Here also, Your Lordship. Before
What's happened? The whole government Meghalaya is in slow motion on affidavits.
Your Lordship, this is coming up for the first time after the motions. We've got the parawise, Your Lordship. We just need some.
What's the matter about?
It's about cancellation of the appointment, Your Lordship.
Appoint us? Which
Appointment
which
as
post?
Of the teacher, Your Lordship.
Okay, how much time?
Just 1 week's time will do it.
2 weeks time is granted as per affidavit, yes.
Right.
Supplementary list. Item number 7.
Abba, I hope you're ready with the matter today.
My Lord, before we say anything, my Lord, here, my Lord, what ideally should have been pointed out yesterday, my Lord, due to omission, we did not point out. But this matter, my Lord, the connected appeal is already pending before the division bench.
There is no appeal
There
as
has
such.
been, there is, my Lord, it's been noted already. The registration number also has been given.
Appeal against what?
The jurisdiction of the writ court to entertain any...
Against interim order, my Lord.
any-
Against interim order.
The jurisdiction of the
no
writ
leave
court
has
under
been sought.
227 given before the division bench.
No
that
leave
matter
has-
is still pending, my Lord. Your Lordship has noted that aspect even in Your Lordship's order dated 16/7, my Lord. And I just confirmed from the registry, my Lord, the appeal is likely to come up on Tuesday or Monday, my Lord, subject to the availability of
Tuesday or Monday?
Monday or Tuesday, my Lord, subject
Lord,
next week?
Coming week.
I have one submission to make, my Lord. It's my writ petition. And the order is getting...
You withdraw it.
And I'm withdrawing it in the light of a statement made by Mr. Jindal. So then in that
He
case...
withdraws it, finish. He withdraws it, that's over. Your order remains. Then they'll move applications before the Regulatory Commission.
In the light of the statement made by Mr. Jindal, my Lord, that the matter will be heard, I seek permission to withdraw the writ petition, my Lord.
Sure, my Lord. I'm
So
not-
that
You know,
that
Sharma,
you...
Can you block now?
No,
He's
cannot
the master of the... his own
I'm
brief.
dominus litis of the matter.
If they withdraw, my Lord, then...
It's in the light of a statement made by... Because my MSCRC is saying that they will rehear the matter. We want rehearing only.
Yes.
Of course, my Lord, the remand that Lordship will affect. Lordship, there may not be any finding or observation on
Yes,
the
I
legality or illegality of the order.
Yes.
So we are prepared to rehear and reprocess and
I bow down, my Lord.
issue a fresh tariff order, but without any finding or observation, as of now, my Lord.
Because that has
Mrs.
happened.
Hapa looking very worried.
No, my Lord. Well, like as rightly followed, rightly said by Your Lordship, that is their writ petition. my
Yeah,
Lord. I have hardly any say on the...
You're not even a party, Mrs. Hapa here.
My intervention application is
It's
still,
still pending. Yes. Stop. Stop, Minister. Stop. This Leonard Advocate General with so and so appearing for the petitioner submits that as the as much as it will.
Since the MSCRC has made the statement before Your Lordship that the matter will be reheard.
Learned Advocate General with so and so on behalf of the petitioner prays that we allowed to withdraw the instant writ petition as a statement been made by the Learned Counsel for the respondent that the matter will be taken up for reconsideration afresh. Stop. The prayers allowed. It is made clear that it is made clear that this court has not gone into the merits of the matter. So, accordingly, matter stands closed on withdrawal.
With liberty, my lord, if
With liberty to the pleasure to agitate the matter afresh before the relative for respondent number 1 respondent.
a statement of my learned friend may kindly be recorded that
That's
matter.
recorded. It's already recorded.
That's recorded.
Yes, my statement because I have said so, my lord.
Okay, after that, Mr. S. Gentle concurs to the submissions made by the
Grateful.
Grateful. That covers everything.
Yes, yes.
In this case, if any stands disposed.
Daily list hearing.
Your miss, in view of the order passed there, your miss case is disposed of also.
Even they needs to be vacated now. Even the interim needs to be vacated.
The matter is disposed of. All
Disposed of. It's on
Let
withdrawal.
there be a-
On withdrawal. I'm not passing any order on merits. That's why.
petition
That's why, Mr. Hapa, I'm not passing any order on merits. That's the thing. It's just withdrawn, finish. Afresh. Afresh means what? De novo.
De novo. And that order is also because my Jindal is also saying that matter will be reheard, so that order is not no longer there. my lord. Great.
Yes.
Okay.
Daily list hearing, item 30.
May I please, Your Lordship? My Lord, this now we have come to a situation where one of the directions, my Lord, which my Lord has passed,
cannot be complied with.
Becomes very, very difficult for us, my Lord. But we don't say that we don't have any disregard for the orders. We have full, and I say with full consciousness also, my Lord, is with responsibility also. Now here what happened, my Lord, here in the month of April.
Let's see, totally, what is the case about?
My Lord, here 3 directions. Now the teacher, the petitioner here is a teacher who was teaching in our school, my Lord. Now there was some problem with her attendance and all this, her sincerity in the punctuality and sincerity in performing work. So the managing committee, the earlier managing committee, have taken a decision to terminate her service, and we have terminated her service in the year 2017. Now, in the month of April, there was another teacher by the name of Banker Karnayor, who was a para teacher. So, in her absence, we have taken a decision to upgrade her as an assistant teacher. So now, from April onwards, her salary, the salary that was, because this is an SSA school. So the salary that was supposed to get to Multisha Karnayor, who the petitioner here, was given to Banker Karnayor after. Then he resumed the duties.
Who's Banker Karnayor? Your appointee?
No. Banker Karnayor is my teacher, my Lord. Is my teacher. And who replaced the
Multisha Karnayor?
Multisha Karnayor, my Lord. Now they have Karnayor. Carlo. What is it? Carlo. Okay. So thereafter, my Lord, then she filed a writ petition before this court, and some withheld amount salary, which she says that around 1.8 lakh was there, was directed to be paid. We have complied with that order, and my Lord say that revoke the termination order. We have revoked the termination order. Now what happened here is, my Lord, from here itself, something can be assumed of the attitude, though I don't want to cast aspersions on anybody, but the attitude of this teacher. Now my Lord has told us to, directed us to recall. We have recalled, and we have given her this thing. She joined. After 10 days, she writes a letter to us and says that you allow somebody else to officiate for 3 months. I'm going 3 months. What is it?
That?
Well, because I have already joined. I
No, why are you asking someone to officiate in your place?
Because of the personal difficulties, my lord.
Personal difficulties. You resign then if you can't work?
Yes.
No, we just, after this, my lord, we, they don't willing to accept.
No, after
that.
10 days, after you just jumped 10 days, don't take leave for 3 months. Then you resign, you don't want to work. Who should?
Now she already resigned, my lord.
She already resigned?
Yes, my Lord. Now what happened is that, my Lord, after 10 days, then we are saying, and she promised, I'll be very sincere teacher. And after 10 days, she says that no, we don't even know.
She resigned. When she resigned? What amount outstanding now?
Here's, my lord, the question of resigning doesn't exist, my lord. Why? That doesn't exist, my lord. Why? I come only with the particular order which is mentioned
No,
in
no, I'm
the-
not talking. We're not going to pass the orders on resignation. It's just saying that if you're coming for some, you're saying violation of which order? Let's see which part of the order.
Page 13, my lord, of my...
Page 13 of the affidavit.
Yeah, my lord, of the petition, my lord.
Petition is not here before me. Petition.
My lord, contempt petition.
No, says here order first.
Yes, my lord. Page 13 of the petition that my friend has filed, page 1313, my lord. Actually, this is the report of the state project director, my lord. And my lord has, at paragraph 4, Roman 1, it's from there onwards, my lord, 3 directions. My lord has got.
Para 4 Roman 1, which date?
Page 13, para 4.
Yes.
Then down there, Roman 1, my lord. 1, 2, 3.
Refund salary deducted.
Yes, my lord. Refund salary, we have complied that one.
Yes.
1.96
Revoke
lakhs.
termination order.
And revoke termination, we have revoked, my lord.
Release pending salary.
Now, release the pending salary. This is the problem, my lord, now.
What's the problem?
The problem is, my lord, as I said, my lord, April, we have given a termination letter and we have appointed Banker Kharnayor. Now, the salary that was paid are to Multisha Kharlor. This was directly transferred.
How was the amount?
My lord, as the SSA teachers' monthly salary, that the 20,000 or something like that, my lord, that one.
So how much outstanding you have to be paid? By your estimate?
My lord, as per my, it should be around from the 6/4/2017 till this order, my lord. I'm not saying anything. I'm not claiming the salaries from the date of resigning and all. I'm not saying that. Only from the date of termination till this order, my lord. There is this 13/6 of 2022.
On 10/4/2017. Now, has that fact been brought on record that you appointed another teacher in her place and the salary was drawn by that teacher?
My lord, that fact has not been.
Then?
That has.
Then?
No, that fact, I think, my lord, has been brought in my.
Now, okay, fine. 2017 till the order dated
13/6 of 2022.
13/6/22. So that means for 5 years, nearly 5 years, you've been paying the other teacher.
Yes, my lord.
And you paid her 0.
My lord, she wasn't working. She wasn't
Whatever it
working. Yes. She was terminated. She wasn't working, my lord.
No, but then sorry.
My lord, now.
You have to abide.
My lord,
now you have complied with 1 and 2, except
Yes.
and what is by your estimate? What is the amount now? 5 years into 12 at 60 months. 60 months at 20,000. That's how much?
My lord, that
12
would.
lakhs.
No, that will be more than that, my lord. Now the.
Even if you take 1 year, okay. You said 20,000. That means they'll get
calculating 24,000. I think that is the amount.
They'll get 2.4 lakhs per year.
Yes, my lord.
Yes. 2.4 lakhs per year into 5 years.
5 years, my lord.
Then
my lord,
that'll be around how much? That's 12 lakhs.
12, around 12 lakhs, 12, 13 lakhs, ma'am.
So pay 12 lakhs.
The problem is, my lord, here, SSS school, and this is in the interior village, my lord.
See,
and
so the thing is that whatever it is, Mr. Yubin.
Yes, my lord.
It has been found that there's been, she's been given a raw deal. Whatever character be, whatever it is,
yes,
law is law.
My lord, that's why we.
When did you resign?
She has resigned.
When?
Joined 28/6/2022.
Okay, 13/6 was the order, right?
Yes, my lord.
22.
20. Yes.
13/6/22 is the order of this court.
My
Okay.
lord.
Then he joined on 22/6.
28/6, my lord.
Okay, and he resigned on?
And then
9th of August, my lord.
9th of August 22, he resigned?
2022, my lord. She resigned as a mark of protest.
Because they don't consider the letter that I'm sending to consider for 3 months this.
You don't need the job, that means, yes.
That's why I resigned.
You don't need the job.
I'm not dispute about that.
So you don't need the job also.
My lord, now.
What are you doing now?
I have no idea, my lord.
You have no idea?
My lord.
How's he engaging you?
Yes,
doing
my lord.
legal aid? Not legal aid?
No.
It's not illegal aid. My lord, what I wanted to plead before my lord is,
But
my lord.
The issue here, my lord, is only from the date of termination till this order. That's the only
How are
thing.
you going to
my
pay the amount? You pay it.
My lord, my lord, I would like to pray, my lord. I will, of course, that it's quite late in the day, and I also, after going through all the papers, my lord, I've realized, my lord, now the only thing that is left for me, my lord, either to go to jail, or either to close down the school, or, my lord, I have one option, my lord, to modify, to pray at laws to modify this
At this stage.
At this stage, my lord.
And after this, the order was passed on 2 years ago.
Because what happened here is, my lord.
So you choose the first option. Option A, go to jail. Option B.
This is the new, my lord. This is the new managing committee. Of course, we are not running away from, because it follows with the chair. Of course, that was done by another managing committee, the secretary, my lord. But the new secretary just inherited all the liabilities, my lord. And now the school, my lord, will appreciate. This is a school located in a very interior villages, my lord. No communication, no proper road communication in somewhere in Riboy, my lord. And even if we ask the entire village people contribute at least 500 rupees also in order to pay, because the village serving the interest of the village people.
How many students in the school now?
My lord, hardly 30 or 20 students, my lord. Hardly, my lord. It's a very poor, it's very interior.
How you got recognition on the SSA then?
I'm sorry?
How you got recognition on the SSA school?
I'm sorry to say, but I think so. It will be around 30 to 50.
How come the number went up by 20 after next question?
Well, I'll
next
have to take.
Again, go up to 50.
I'll have to take proper instructions on that, my lord. But the situation.
You can't make submissions like this.
No, but the
not
situation.
On compassion.
Yes.
We're going on law. That's the thing. This teacher was excommunicated. His termination got approval from the government. Then
yes.
Sometimes in these societies also they feel that they get they have like might is right in the village especially.
My lord.
So they like flexing their muscles and treating small people any way they want. So when the situation comes now, they say you have to go to jail. You can go to jail if you want.
My lord, kindly give me some time, my lord. Let's.
Civil imprisonment also.
My lord, because here the new secretary, my lord, is absolutely.
New secretary will not be. Who was the secretary? Is by name. Who's the old secretary?
No, they have given the secretary, the new secretary by name, my lord.
Who was the old secretary?
The old secretary was the old secretary was a lady, my lord.
Well, catch her then. The order. His name is Second Star.
Second Star, and yes.
What do you want, Yuban?
My lord,
very clear.
My lord, as it stands today, my lord, we have tried to
stay in the same village. Where
no,
are you staying?
I have no idea, my lord.
You have no idea.
She doesn't stay in the same village, my lord. That is the problem, my lord. Before also, it is not a communication, but I will not say that the order was wrong, but it was not a case of communication. She was all in the school, my lord. She doesn't come only.
So you've got 1.8 lakhs, that's all.
1.96 crore lakhs, my lord. 1.96. And 5 years, my lord. 5 years. She must have done some other job, business, whatever, to survive, my lord.
That is not a question, my lord, because
you didn't appeal against the order.
We have not appealed against
Why?
this order, my lord. We have as far as possible, my lord. We have complied, and that came in the second because there was little confusion, because the.
Take down. Mr. P, you've been at the outset when the matter is for hearing. When the matter is for hearing. Has submitted that there has been no willful disobedience of the orders of this court, and that the directions as contained at para 4 of the judgment the 3 directions contained in para 4 the judgment 2 have been complied with. that is for refund of salary or rupees 1,96,000, and also for revocation of the termination order dated 10/4/2017. Stop. He, however, expresses grave serious difficulty in complying with the condition number 3, that is for release of the pending salary of the petitioner, which has been withheld with the termination till till the date of passing of the order. Stop. Seeing letter conduct on behalf of the writ petitioner submits that the petitioner, though rejoining her service on 28/6/2022, has also since resigned on 9/8/22 due to personal reasons. Stop. Next paragraph. Upon hearing letter counsel party, it's first noted that the respondents 5 and 6, correct? The respondent in the writ petition, the respondent here never sought modification of the order, nor was any appeal preferred against it. How you can pay it in how many installments?
My lord, I'll have to find out, my lord, because it's very difficult, my lord.
You take half.
Yes. If that
you want full amount.
Obviously, my lord, I cannot say something.
You don't know where she's staying. You don't know what she's
allow
doing.
Me, my lord. Allow me.
You don't know.
Allow
are
me.
you in contact with your client? No. Yes.
Because, my lord, there is no at all intention not to comply, my lord. The difficulty is...
Stop. And the only difficulty expressed now is with regard to satisfying the amount which is over 12 lakhs.
Over 12 lakhs, my lord.
Stop. Then you get instructions also. Be as me. I thought you disposed of this is matter after 2 weeks.
2 weeks, my lord.
Enable the council obtain further instructions.
My lord. Obliged, my lord.
And the exact amount also which is due.
31. 31.
Please, your lordships. I understand your mind.
Yes, serious objections.
Lordship will see, my lord. Only my last chance, my lord. Next first week of August, my lord. Without fail, I will do it.
What's the matter about?
This is regarding transferring a case, my lord, to a court of competent jurisdictions. But there
transferring a case?
My lord, filed in a wrong forum, wrong court, your lordships, without jurisdiction. Now they are seeking a transfer to a court of competent jurisdiction.
So what is the?
No, there will be other many consequences will be there. Now under CPC, your lordship, written, we already entered. I am for the defendant in the suit. I already entered appearance and raised this question, my lord, of maintainability. So they also participated. After participating, they came and filed this case. Now the question is, my lord, the period of limitation has already started running for filing the written statement. So there are many consequences. So if your lordship give me some time, my lord, without
227.
It's under Rule 1B of the Administrative Justice Rules. That's Section 24 of CPC.
Okay. Those strong objections have been raised to the prayer for adjournment. By the counsel petitioner in interest of justice on account of personal difficulty of the counsel of the respondent number. One. This is matter after 1 week. Yes.
So the interim order may continue.
Interim order passes should continue for the orders.
Obliged.
32.
Yes, Mr. Datta.
Your Lordship, there is no hurdle to promote me to the next higher post on account of the fact that I am the senior most LDA now.
What hurdles been given?
Many hurdles were there, Your Lordship.
What many hurdles?
There was, as per their, my Lordship, as per
Yes,
affidavit.
what's the case about?
It is about promotion, Your Lordship.
See, you can't expect the court to know everything.
Yes,
See,
it is about
the case
promotion.
about who is
I
the
am
petitioner? Okay, start from.
I am the petitioner, Your Lordship. I am the.
Yes.
I am an LDA of the Directorate of
See,
Lottery.
Mr. Datta, I'm not as smart as you are. You have to refresh the court also.
Yes, I'll do that.
Yes.
I beg pardon.
Thank you very much. Yes,
Then
what's the matter about?
I was appointed
Petitioner
as
is Chokidar.
Chokidar, yes.
Yes, then?
I was appointed as Chokidar, that is at page 21, 22, Your Lordship. Annexure 1.
21, okay.
Yes. Page 21.
Yes. On
And my-
13 June.
Yes. And Lordship, my
13
appointment.
June, Chokidar.
Yes.
Then?
And my appointment as Chokidar was regularized. Please
On-
see Annexure 2, page
Okay.
23, Your Lordship.
Annexure 2,
Page 23.
so you regularize from the date of
Yes, Lordship.
joining the post.
Yes.
Okay, regularized on 26 March 04, okay.
I officiated as LDA. That is Annexure 3, Your Lordship, page 25. I'll read it. Subject to the approval by the Department Selection Committee set up for the purpose of the promotion of staff, Shri Binay Thaba, Office Chowkidar of this office, a matriculate promoted to officiate temporarily in the post of LDA, Lower Division Assistant in the scale of so-and-so, plus other allowances admissible under the rules with effect from the date of his joining until further orders.
Okay, then?
Thereafter, I was promoted to the post of LDA, Your Lordship. Please see Annexure 4, page 26. Page 26, 27. 26 is the, yes.
So this is when you are promoted.
Yes, promoted.
See, this is
From Chowkidar to
1990.
LDA.
Huh? See, just 1 second. Subject approval of so-and-so, just come back to Annexure 3, is promoted to officiate temporarily in the post of LDA.
I was officiating as LDA.
Okay, officiating. Okay.
Yeah.
Then?
Thereafter, I was promoted temporarily to the post of LDA. That is at page 26, Annexure 4.
That is 04.
Yes.
That means you were regularized on 26/3/04, right? As per your.
That is as a Chowkidar, in the post of Chowkidar, yes.
While you, when you still not confirmed the Chowkidar, you were promoted as officiating LDA.
Yes, yes, Your Lordship.
Then after 2 months after you regularized, you are promoted as LDA.
Yes. After that, I was confirmed also in my post.
Okay.
That
Then
is
confirm
Annexure
where?
6, page 29. Annexure 6.
Is it by a departmental promotional committee?
No, Your Lordship. Sri,
Just confirmed.
Yes, confirmed. Sri Vinay S. Thabe Sierra confirmed against the sanctioned post of LDA.
So that is after.
And retained permanently by government letter so-and-so with immediate effect.
Confirm.
After that, Your Lordship,
Yes.
there was approval by the cabinet. Annexure 7, 8. Please see page 34, Your Lordship. My name appears there in serial number 2.
But then even regularized since, but you regularized by incompetent authority?
By the competent authority.
No, at that time, 04, who Who regularized you?
The director.
Director of what?
Director
He's a competent authority. He's appointing
He's
authority.
the competent authority.
Appointing authority.
Yes, he's the appointing authority.
Okay. Then what happened? Next year 7th, the general regularization.
Yes.
Yes, cabinet decision. Yes.
Then let me come to the gradation list.
No. Now your name is where in the.
My name is in page 34.
So that means
serial number 2.
regular effect from date of appointment, Mr. Shulai, from 13/6.
In fact, the regularization is irregular, Your Lordship, because
no, not the first one. You were regularized again by cabinet later on. Yes.
The cabinet, Your Lordship, that has been done in the.
Yes, that has been done in
2022 only, Your Lordship. Lordship will that.
That is, yes, let him continue. Yes, Lordship.
Then
what happened?
Lordship gradation list.
Yes.
That is Annexure 15. Page 47, 48, Your Lordship. Page 48.
Nice.
My name appears in serial number 3. Serial number 3.
Yeah.
And those who are placed above me, there are 2. A. Sinkley and A. Hassan. These people, these 2, they have retired, Your Lordship. After their retirement, I become the senior most LDA in
now you're going to retire now only?
No, I'm talking about number 1 and 2.
Yes, they retired, fine.
Yes, they retired.
Now your petitioner is born 17/10/66. So now he'll be 58 on?
I'll be retiring in the month of October, 31st October, Lordship. 31st October this year.
Yes.
And since these 2 who have been placed above me have retired, so now I am the senior most LDA in the directorate.
Yes.
So my humble submission is there is no hurdle to consider for my promotion to the next higher post, that is the post of Lordship.
Yes. That's it.
That's it.
Yes, Mr. Shurai.
May it please, Your Lordship.
Consider for promotion.
Lordship, because the promotion, Your Lordship, the regularization, Your Lordship, is not in accordance with, because
Mine has already been given with effect from 1985.
Lordship, kindly see, if Lordship kindly come to page, kindly come to page 31, Your Lordship. Then Lordship, I'll take Lordship to page 34. Lordship has been regularized by the cabinet on 15 March 22,
Right.
Lordship.
Right.
15
so,
to.
With effect from 85.
So no question of
No, Your
irregularity
Lordship.
arises.
No, Your
now.
Lordship.
Appointment 1985.
No, Your Lordship. There is no. Lordship, kindly
How do you
see.
say that?
Lordship, kindly see name of the office, name of employee, designation, date of appointment, 13/6/1955, Your Lordship. So that means his regularization will have to be taken with effect from 15 March 22, Your Lordship. This is the decision of the cabinet, Your Lordship.
So prospectively you're taking. Where are the decisions? Why not retrospective?
In fact,
Lordship, then I'll.
He's drawing his pay. He's drawing the scale
because
of
all
LDA
those,
since,
Lordship,
he's drawing the
in-
scale of LDA since 1990.
No, in fact, Your Lordship, what happened, Your Lordship? He filed a writ petition in the before the then. Lordship, then there was a direction. There was a direction to dispose the representation,
Yes.
and that decision was taken. Your Lordship, kindly come to page 43, Your Lordship. Annexure, this is Annexure 14. Page 43. It's a detailed information had been rejected.
Yes.
May I read it, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Whereas Shri so-and-so was temporarily appointed to the post of Shakida in the office of the Directorate of Meghalaya State Lottery so-and-so for so-and-so. And whereas on recommendation of the Departmental Selection Committee in its meeting held on 11/3/2004, the appointment of Bes Thaba as officer was regularized with effect from the date of joining so-and-so, and for on recommendation of the Departmental
Promotion Committee in its meeting held on so-and-so, he was temporarily promoted to the post of LDA with effect from so-and-so, dated so-and-so. He was confirmed to the post with immediate, he was also allowed to draw his extended scale of pay by the orders and so. Whereas the accreditation list of the staff of the Directorate of Meghalaya State Lottery as on 30th so-and-so was published by so-and-so, inviting representation, if any, from all concerned, and within 10 days, and the name of Shri appear as serial number 4. On 21/6/2016, the Departmental Promotion Committee meeting was held to consider the promotion of eligible staff of the Directorate of State Lottery. However, in the case of promotion of Shri Petitioner, Your Lordship, the committee decided to keep the matter in abeyance against by circulation dated so-and-so. Accreditation list of the staff of the Directorate of State Lottery was published, inviting representation to it within 10 days, and the incumbent name figured as secretary. Whereas Shri so-and-so had submitted his representation to the Director of Meghalaya so-and-so, so-and-so, to the Secretary Government of Meghalaya ER Department so for redressal of his grievances, and finally approached the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya for redressal of his grievances, which was listed as so-and-so. The Honorable High Court, by order dated 6/2000, disposed of the representation and dispose of the writ petition with direction to respondent number 3, Director of State Lottery, to take a decision on his representation. And in compliance with the order of the Honorable High Court, an opportunity was given to the petitioner to be heard in person on 28/11/2019 by the then Director of State Lottery. However, the Director could not pass any relief of the post of Director of State Lottery in the month of December 2019. Again, Shri so-and-so apply for earned leave with effect from so-and-so and with effect from so-and-so. Thus, notice for personal hearing could not be done. So, an opportunity was given to statement along with necessary document in the month of February 2020, for which humbly submitted his written statement by letter dated including earlier petition and the order of the Honorable High Court. Now, after going through all the files, record and relating to his initial appointment, confirmation as office secretary, and then his promotion to LDA and subsequent confirmation as LD, it was found that in the year 1985 was initially appointed as office secretary purely on a temporary basis for a period of 2 months only, which was, of course, extended from time to time. He joined as office secretary with effect from so-and-so. The government in personal department issued a restricting appointment of any person, employee on ad hoc basis without the approval of the cabinet by the OM so-and-so. The government in personal department again reiterated the same in the so-and-so and clarified that all appointment made without going through the specified recruitment procedure of obtaining recommendation either by the Meghalaya Public Service Commission or District Selection Committee, Departmental Committee are deemed to be irregular appointment and would necessarily falls either under the category 3F or ad hoc appointment. Time and again, the government reminded all the department not to resort to ad hoc appointment without following the specified procedure. It is also a fact that the order dated so-and-so, he was regularized to the post of office by the department in this meeting also with effect from the date of joining the post, that is with retrospective effect. On closer examination of this office, it can be seen that two terms, regularized and with effect from the define the status of the incumbent. The Departmental Selection Committee in its meeting held on 11/3/2004 merely regularized the previous appointment already made by the director. The DSC is not the competent authority to regularize the ad hoc already made, and that too with retrospective effect. It is supposed to conduct the recruitment to the post as mandated by the government. As per the standing instruction of the government, when an incumbent appointed to a post under so-and-so, if according to merits eligible to be appointed, regular appointment is effective from the date of such recommendation or from the date of such creditor, but preferably the date of order of the competent authority. Hence, according to the government so-and-so, all appointment made without going through the specified recruitment procedure of obtaining recommendation either by the Meghalaya Public Service Commission, District Selection Department are deemed to be irregular appointment and would necessarily fall either under category 3F or ad hoc appointment. This clearly applies to the case of Shri B.S. Thaba. Now, when the status of the incumbent employee is established as per rule, it is easy to determine as to whether he is eligible for further promotion or not. The Departmental Promotion Committee is the competent authority to consider suitability of the officer, staff for promotion to various post services in the department, and for this purpose, Departmental Promotion Committee is established in each department. The government by circular number so-and-so decided that whenever the service rules are yet to be framed, the DPC shall be constituted by the government with the following members, namely so-and-so, 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 so finance and organization, so-and-so. In the instant case, the then DPC meeting was held on 11/3/2000, wherein Shri B.S. Thaba was considered for permission to depose with retrospective effect from so-and-so, that is from the date of issuing order for officing as LDA. However, the DPC was shared by the director and was attended by Registrar of the Directorate of Meghalaya so-and-so, as per the must be notified by the government. It must be shared by the Principal Secretary, Commissioner Secretary, Secretary of the Department, the representative of Personal and Finance Department, also must be. However, in the official meeting, as per minute of the meeting, these members were not present, hence the validity of the DPC meeting is questionable. Moreover, the DPC cannot promote any other staff with retrospective effect. The government office memorandum dated so clearly clarified in matter of promotion made on the basis of recommendation of the department, the promotion cannot be made with retrospective effects. So it's or irregular, Your Lordship.
What irregular? Person been made to work 1985 regularly, regularization 22. What about his vested right? He's accrued.
Lordship, can you see his appointment, Your Lordship, for 2 months, and the person who regularized, they also he does not have he lacks the competence, Your Lordship, to regularize, Your Lordship. All regularization has to be done by the personal department, Your Lordship.
So now, when
personal department.
Okay, when he's going to retire, what scale of and how will you fix his pension?
Lordship, the pension will have to be fixed as is now, Your Lordship, in the post in which he is holding, yes, Your Lordship.
As Chokidar?
Lordship, yes.
There's a judgment of this court where regarding the same thing, irregular appointed poultry attend to drive. This I don't think in that case that order's been.
Because, Your Lordship.
This I don't think in that case that order's been.
Because, Your Lordship, if we now the cabinet decision
okay,
will be,
fine. He might not be
will be a hurdle, Your Lordship.
He might not be entitled to promotion, fine. That is fine, but then this order was passed prior to the cabinet decision. Right.
Because
now cabinet decision regularizes him from
because what? The DPC.
Where is a prospective regularization?
The DPC was constituted to promote him, Your Lordship. That also is a defective
now, see,
DPC.
Lordship. When these people are regularized by the cabinet, then what is the date of regularization taken, and how is there some of them have retired?
Lordship,
they're around 2,050. How many cases were taken for regularization?
Lordship,
2,000 something, correct?
Lordship, can you bear with me? Lordship,
what is the condition?
Just kindly bear with me. Lordship, Lordship, can you come to page 33? Can you?
What 33 say?
Lordship, it say like this is a letter by the Deputy Secretary, Personal Department. Lordship, we say like this: in inviting reference to the subject, I am directed to say that the following ad hoc appointees under your department are approved by the cabinet for regularization, subject to the condition that is the regulation is against sanction post only for ad hoc appointment made on or before 31st December 2007,
yes.
Subject to rule apply prospectively from the date of issue of the order and after the ad hoc employee undergo the special examination interview conducted specifically for this purpose by the Meghalaya Public Service or the district or the departmental commission. He has to.
So now he
has to face this.
His regularization is irregular. Now, poor fellow has got. Now we are in July, at August. Okay, August 2 months he has to serve as. He's sent for examination now.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Lordship, this is
my appointment is under 3F. That is
just
yes.
please.
I'm in
Lordship, so but as of now, Your Lordship.
3F. You're a chokidar.
Yeah. This is the appointed in for 3F ad hoc employees.
As of now, Your Lordship. As of now, Lordship, this is the order passed by the cabinet, Your Lordship. It will remain, Your Lordship, because it was not under challenge, Your Lordship.
Please see my.
It was not challenged, Your Lordship.
Please see my
okay, put yourself in his place. You enter the service, you give your rise in that post.
Then all
since
those
1990, that is 34 years ago, he promotes LDA.
Can you see, Your Lordship, the history of this case, Your Lordship? Prior to 2019, there was irregular, defective.
Then who's responsible for his condition now?
Then, Lordship, he filed a writ petition.
Who's responsible for his condition?
The directorate is.
You are responsible.
Yes.
You're a state respondent.
Lordship, he is aware of he's also aware of the terms and conditions. He is the term and condition of the appointment. He's aware.
Let's see.
They have contradicted their own statement, Your Lordship. See my affidavit of 18
let's
June.
see what is an affidavit.
Yes,
then
18 June.
Yes.
My affidavit, that is, I brought on record these two letters. page 4 and 5 of the affidavit.
Yes.
Yes, I will read in inviting reference to government letter cited above. I am to inform that there are no posts appointed in respect of 3 ad hoc employees.
Yes.
This is all they have written on 11 March 2011, and another letter at page 5. Similar letter with reference to your letter, that is on 19 December 2016. They have addressed a letter. With reference to your letter cited above, I am to inform you that there is no employee appointed under Regulation 3F of Meghalaya Public
So
Service.
where is 3F from? Where's the point 3F?
No, here in the order they have said.
Lordship, he is referring to the order which I have already read, Your Lordship. Kindly come to page 44, Your Lordship. Page 44, Your Lordship, the last paragraph of first paragraph, Your Lordship.
Page 44.
Lordship, yes. The last paragraph of first paragraph, Your Lordship, would clearly fall under the category 3F or ad hoc appointment. This is clearly applied to the case of Shri B.S. Thaba, whether Lordship quoted. At page 44, Your Lordship, from the bottom, Your Lordship, of the first paragraph, Your Lordship, Your Lordship.
Where are you reading from? Hands-on comes the close.
44, Your Lordship. Kindly come 44, Your Lordship, page 44. Lordship, there are 2 paragraphs. Lordship, I kindly leave that second paragraph.
This order is too long. Whoever.
Lordship, I'll just read only the.
I've seen it.
And Lordship, Your Lordship, please see their affidavit in opposition.
Where's the memorandum of 85? That's the circular. That when they regularize, it should be taken from the date of the initial appointment.
It is in.
There's other cases. You should prepare your case well.
Page 5, Your Lordship.
Not page 5 of your joint affidavit. No concern about that. Concern about you have to see if you have vested rights from the time you join. Yes, this one. Not restriction. '97. See what you're doing to this poor fellow. Now you look at affidavit. Now you give promotion, you see the constitution was wrong, and so now you.
My Lordship, please.
Lordship, even because there
very
is
sorry state of affairs.
Please see page 5 of the affidavit, Your Lordship. I'll read it out.
Their affidavit.
Just one paragraph.
Their affidavit.
Yes, their affidavit.
No, that we don't need to see, it doesn't matter.
And because they say that the DPC was defective. They say the DPC was defective. And they say that such committee cannot be permitted to continue.
Curious case.
Yes. But in their case, when they promote somebody else by the same DPC, they have become very selective and discriminatory. Only in my case, see page 29, Your Lordship, of their affidavit. The last one, the committee further felt that since Shri V.S. Thaba has been temporarily officiating the post of so-and-so, after possessing necessary qualification, the post as provided under 93, the Meghalaya Directorate so-and-so is found eligible for promotion to the post of LDA. So they are putting holder here. They say that this DPC is defective. But what about the others above me? See, there are two names.
What you do with
P.
this?
Marmanyang, P.
What you do?
Marmanyang, SS Khongwe,
You implead them.
W.
We'll
Dengdo.
impleed them
They
sumoto.
have promoted them
SS Khongwe,
by the same DPC.
W. Dengdo, we'll impleed
They have
them. We'll
promoted
impleed
them
them
by the same
sumoto.
DPC.
We'll impleed them sumoto, Mr. Shulai. Because they'll be affected. Very affected if any orders are passed whereby we disregard this DPC, then they'll be affected. We'll impleed them sumoto.
I am singled out here.
Can you see?
Have they retired this P. Marmanyang? See, you're saying that this is wrong. So we will disregard this and so apply to everyone.
Can you see page 27, Your Lordship?
No, kindly seeing business now. If you
The
say, no, forget about this.
Constitution of DPC, Your Lordship.
That means this one is wrong. Then this one will sumoto implead
They
them.
have promoted P. Marmanyang,
Senior most UDA,
S. Khongwe,
yes,
W.
yes.
Dengdo. But
Then
in
they'll
my
be
case, they
affected.
say this is
They'll be
defective.
affected, Mr. Shulai.
Yes, Your Lordship, because we say, Your Lordship, if Lordship kindly bear with me.
I think in a corner you can't get out now.
No, Your Lordship.
You can't get out.
I'll
We'll
get out.
impleed them sumoto then. Yes, take down.
And I'm retiring in this year in the month of October.
Otherwise, you pass some orders in relation to his promotion or fixation of his pension. So 2 months time left, he would pay
Yes,
pension papers.
promotion.
As one-off case. Otherwise, we'll take very serious note of this lecture 3, page 29.
Just a minute, Lordship.
Things are being made complicated by a very simple thing, Your Lordship.
See, when people get over smart and try to dispose of one representation by writing a verbose long order, that's what happens.
Lordship, that is an irregular DPC.
All of them.
Lordship,
Then
we
you
have
have to
stated
follow
by
them.
we have stated by in the affidavit, Your Lordship.
No, you stated that. That is there in page 5 of the affidavit. It is irregular, and so that promotion
Defunct
given to
and
him
defective, yeah.
was that means it'll affect this L Nongrum, HWAR.
Yes.
They have to be given notice also. They'll be affected.
It should
Then
be
this
If there is a rule has to be followed, Your Lordship.
then what? Either you mean exception and correct this error.
No, Your Lordship, we have, Lordship kindly come to page 3 of our affidavit.
This is 11 March 20.
Then at page 5, Your Lordship, 5.
Yes, that's page 5 come.
Yes,
I
for
put
the-
it dated 11/3/24.
Lordship,
Show
yes.
that out of 3 members, so and so.
Lordship.
So hence, in view of the above contravention, breach of government, the department which is called the improper legalization and presumption is a defective department. This on affidavit.
Lordship, yes.
Yes.
Lordship,
I'm giving you a way out. Either you do something, you examine it, and within 2 days you come back with instructions. Otherwise, we sumoto, we're issuing notice to all these people.
Lordship, for the moment, if Lordship is pleased to kindly come to page 27 of our affidavit, Your Lordship. That is the office memorandum.
No, don't go to 97 office memorandum. Don't go back. We're going by your actions only. Prospective. Look at what happened after. Now, in your own affidavit, you're saying defective DPC, correct?
Lordship, yes.
Then?
Lordship,
It ends
yes.
there.
Because the rule of 97, the office
It ends
memorandum
there.
1997 has not
It
been
ends
followed,
there.
Your Lordship.
Before you draft affidavit, you should have given considerable thought to it. You take instructions. You understand? Otherwise, these other people will be affected unnecessarily. You consider him 2 months he's got left. What is the problem?
Few months, 3 months left, Your Lordship.
Or Lordship, can you make an observation in the order, then Your Lordship will instruct them accordingly.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I may be considered
in the
for
course of
promotion.
hearing, the denial of consideration of promotion to writ petitioner has been submitted to be on the basis of a defective departmental promotion committee which sat on 11th March 2004, wherein it has been stated on affidavit that improper and illegal regularization and subsequent promotion has been given to the writ petitioner. Stop. It is noted by this court that the said DPC is not confined in the writ petitioner, but would take into consideration 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8 other persons, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 other persons who were promoted or regularized by the said DPC. Stop. As the contention of the learned EAG has far ramifications that will affect the other persons who are also considered in said DPC, is directed to obtain instructions, Lords, failing which the other persons have to be implemented and further orders will follow. Yes, copies order be given to the who drafted the affidavit?
Oblige, Your Lordship.